fat cat. You're good. You're fine.
Okay, you could go with Livy. You could go with Livy. You could
Are
go
you
with
sure?
Livy. Yeah.
You don't want to go with this?
Like,
You're fine. Yeah, I swear to God, if you throw up.
No, I'm not gonna throw up. I'm not like that. Oh gosh, 3.
You better not.
Oh my gosh. Oh shoot, here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Cold! It's cold!
Oh.
Are you good?
Oh yeah. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh, it's so much more intense at night. It's so much it's so much more intense at night. Oh wow.
It's so cold. I'm freezing. I should have put my jacket on.
Oh gosh.
Oh.
Look at the Robiton. Oh gosh. Well, we are high.
You good?
Wow, that was actually okay.
You want to go, Livy?
Yeah, I'll go.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Wow, we're going really wow. Okay. Oh wow. That was fun. Why am I freezing?
It's so cold. It's so cold out here.
Oh my gosh. Hi. Hi.
Are you?
Okay. Okay.
I didn't even scream the first like 10 seconds. Probably less than that actually. Did you just spin everything?
I know. Like, can I take? Oh gosh! Like, oh my god.
It's over.
Oh my god! That scared the crap out of me.
It's over.
Okay.
Lift your legs up for me.